Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to unpin a post in Tumblr profile. To unpin a post on your Tumblr profile, simply follow the steps. Step 1. Locate the pinned post by going to your Tumblr profile and finding the post that is currently pinned at the top. Step 2. Tap on the 3 dots. At the top right corner of the pinned post, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a menu. Step 3. Select Unpin. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Unpin. Step 4. Confirm. You might be asked to confirm that you want to unpin the post. Click Unpin again to proceed. Once you've completed these steps, the post will no longer be pinned to the top of your profile and will return to its original position in your blog's timeline. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.